Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about factorizing quadratic equations. This is part of quadratics and cubics topic in pure mathematics. This is an year 1 topic. Quadratic equation looks like this, something like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? This is a typical form of quadratic equation. So a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. If you have an equation like this, how can you factorize this into something like this? Let's look at this example. In this example, they're asking you to factorize x squared minus 3x minus 18. So the best way to factorize is you take this constant 18 and find its factor pairs. So 1, 18 or 2, 9 or 6, 3. These are factor pairs. And which factor pair you can use it to get minus 3, because this is the factor pair we can use, because minus 6 plus 3 equal minus 3, and minus 6 times 3 is minus 18, right? So this is a trick that you use to get the factor. So let's go back to this equation, and x squared, instead of minus 3x, I'm going to write minus 6x plus 3x minus 18. Because if you look at this one, this is equal to minus 3x. And now what you do is you take two terms at a time. And what is the common factor between x squared and minus 6x? If you take x out, x minus 6 is a common factor. And in the second term, what is the common factor? You have 3 here, you have 18 here, so 6 is a common factor. So you can take plus 3 outside, so what is left? X minus 6. Now if you look at two terms here, what is common between these two terms? This x minus 6 is common, so you can take x minus 6 outside. So if you take x minus 6 outside, what is left is this x and plus 3. So now we have factorized this equation. If you want, you can go back and check whether the factorization is correct using our Crab-Claw law that you learned previously. Let's look at another question. In this question, they're asking you to solve this equation, right? So let me rewrite this equation. X squared minus 8 equal to x. Let me rearrange this one into a quadratic form. This will become x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0, because when you bring this 2x to this side, become minus, and what you have is 8. Okay, so let's take this, in order to factorize this one, let's take this minus 8 and write these factor pairs. 1, 8 or 2, 4. These are the two factor pairs. And if you want to get minus 2, maybe this is probably the best option. So let me come back. X squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And again, let's split them into two terms. And what is common in the first one? X is common, so if we take x minus 4. The second one, the common is plus 2, so you will get x minus 4 again. Now you see the same factor appearing in both places. So I'm going to take x minus 4 outside. So what is left, which is x plus 2. So we managed to factorize this equation, but we haven't solved the equation yet. So in order to solve this one, right, they are saying you are multiplying two items and answer is 0. this will only happen if one of the item or both of the items are 0, right? So this is only possible if x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, x should be equal to minus 2. Or if x minus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to 4. Right, so this is the solution for this question. And thank you for watching this video. Please watch our next video in this topic.